lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Arms take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babalan TV.
Hello Sagittarius, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for March 22nd to March the 31st reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV, no? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ayan. So kung gusto niyo pong sumali, you're very much welcome. Huwag po kayong matakot dahil mababait po, no, ang mga tao doon. Ayan. Very friendly. So gusto ko lang pong ipaalam sa inyo na marami tayong pag-uusapan. As usual, nandiyan ang finances, romance, different stages ng romance, of course. Single, no labels, crushes, magjowa, mag-asawa. If there's a third-party situation na lalabas, then pag-usapan din natin. No? Ano pa ba? Career, no? Ayan. Or job. Ayan. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate baka kaunti lamang. Take what's only yours. Kung gusto niyo palang sumali sa ating raffle promo or raffle. No, hindi siya promo kasi promo baka isipin niyo meron kayong babayaran. Wala. Pumunta po kayo dun sa Facebook, follow me. Meron po akong pinin na video doon about the raffle. All you just need to do is to follow me, react doon sa video, share, and then comment, no? Why you deserve to win. So, let's begin. Sagittarius, bakit parang medyo either kinakabahan tayo, nangihina tayo, parang feeling natin may mawawala. This might be an overthinking. This might be because of anxiety. Hindi pa man nangyayari pero sobrang advanced na, no, ng ating mga either ng mga iniisip. Pilit nating tinatakasan, hindi isipin, but I feel like this energy keeps on hunting us. Kaya ako tinawag na energy because this is general, no? This might be an event. This might be also a situation or a person, no? I feel like meron tayong either malaking bagay, pera, na nawala, importanteng tao, no? Na parang feeling natin iiwan tayo. So, we're trying our best, no? To settle for less. Bakit? Para wag itong mawala sa atin. Parang okay na hanggang dito lang muna, no? Parang si Mrs. Grace Tan Felix tayo ngayon na okay na to. You know that you deserve best, but it felt like sige medyo okay na kesa mawala pa. I feel like this is the source of either your happiness, income, stability. So Sagittarius, if this is finances, siguro nandito tayo sa meron tayong hawak na pera, hindi pa man nauubos, pero stress ka na kasi anong gagawin mo kapag naubos? So masyado tayong kinakabahan. Parang first time either natin magkaroon or first time merong malaking, na nagbigay sa atin ng pera. With the magician in here, paano ko gagawin, paano ko babayaran, or paano ko ma-achieve. For a few numbers of you, baka mamaya ang inaantay nating malaki. Ang expectations natin is sobrang laki. Pero I feel like gagawin itong parang hulugan, no? This might be a sign also if kung kayo naman ang nagkakaroon ng utang or may utang sa isang tao, probably you have to promise them na hindi ko kayang bigay lahat, no? I can do some staggered payments in here. I feel like someone here needs to have a communication and have it clearly, no? Kasi baka sabihin niyo baka magalit eh. Whoever this person is, pwedeng ikaw ito, pwedeng ito yung kabilang kampo, no? So it doesn't matter. Someone needs to have a communication para magkaroon ng clarity. Ayan. So when it comes to career or job, bakit iniisip natin dito na when it comes to the career or job, parang feeling natin masyado tayong naaabuso. Wala ito sa job description, no? Let's say ang job description ko ay cashier. Ayan. Pero kasama pala sa pagka-cashier ko ang maghugas ng plato, no? Mag-ikot-ikot, maging waiter or waitress, no? So, parang hindi na yun yung job description ko pero pinapagawa pa din, no? So, parang sabi mo, I take advantage ako, no? Doon sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho, meron naman pumapasok, pero parang feeling mo, inaano tayo, kinukuripot, no? Hindi ibinibigay ang presyo na para sa atin. Let's say, meron tayong mapapasok ang trabaho, pero yung ibibigay sa ating salary, no? Nandito pa lang tayo sa communication, no? Bibigyan ka na hanggang ganito lang. Parang, oy, sandali. Gusto kong tanggapin kasi kailangan ko ng trabaho, pero ayoko yung siguro maghahanap muna ako ng options, no? Nakaka-stress. Sa tagal na wala akong trabaho, bibigyan ako tapos eto lang. So, probably you're weighing things out. When it comes to romances sa mga mag-asawa, ang nakikita ko dito, medyo stress tayo. Bakit parang feeling natin, pinagtataguan tayo ng partner natin, ng pera? Feeling natin, pinagdadamutan tayo kasi hindi na ganon kalaki, katulad ng dati, no? Tayo ba ang may problema or baka kasi iniisip natin kaya siguro sinisisi natin sarili natin for a few numbers of you, baka ako may kasalanan, or nai-stress tayo, baka tinitingnan natin na meron bang ibang pinagkakagastusan itong ating partner, no? When it comes to magjowa, nawawala ang time, energy, effort, affection. At least this is what you observed. Probably siguro iniisip mo, meron ba tong ibang nilalandi? Meron ba tong ibang tutuunan ng pansin, binibigyan ng kanyang time, no? Kung single, ang nakikita natin dito, parang sinasabi mo, kailan ba ako magkakaroon ng jowa? Parang nandito na lang ako sa dating stage tapos lagi akong nag-ghost, no? Lagi itong nawawala. Sa no labels and crushes naman, parang sinasabi mo dito, ano ba ito? No? Ang mga nagugustuhan ko, nagkakagusto sa iba. Ang mga nagugustuhan ko, parang feeling ko, either narcissist, or ang binibigay lang sa akin is less of what I deserve. Ayan. The Five of Swords, the Five of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, the Two of Wands, and the Queen of Cups. So, meron ditong energy na somehow, probably we are looking for opportunities. We might need to leave this energy behind, either permanently or temporarily, but we are still settling for what is less. However, nakakita ko dito na parang sasabihin mo, I think I need to make a decision for myself. let's clarify the Queen of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Knight of Swords. So parang whatever this is, I think that there will be a decision at one point in time. Parang sasabihin mo, I'm gonna be cold to this energy. I will be leaving this behind, either temporarily, no? Hindi ko muna ako magbibigay ng attention kasi parang feeling ko walang growth. And then all of a sudden, nung napansin itong energy na ito na parang nagbabago ka na, doon ito parang biglang ibibigay. So may kakayahan naman pala, no? When it comes to finances, I feel like you have been waiting for this pero parang kung anong force itong pinipigilan or hindi ibinibigay. So parang sinabi mo, di ko ayaw mo, di wag mo. I'll be looking for options for me to get this, no? And all of a sudden, biglang i-offer kung kailan medyo patalikod na tayo na parang, ay, ano ba to? In layman's term, no? Ginagawa mo ba akong patay gutom, no? Hindi lang ikaw ang resources, no? And that's the time na, oy, wait, sige, eto na nga. Kung ito ay job, so nafe-feel natin dito nga kanina, di ba, na we are taken for granted. So I feel like, nung sinabi natin na, ay hindi, maghahanap na lang ako ng ibang company, for greener pasture, no, kasi nakakapagod. I feel like there will be an offer of promotions. All of a sudden parang pipigilan ka, wag umalis, no? If this is yung naghahanap pa lang ng trabaho, I feel that this is the time wherein you need to haggle, no? Kasi merong mga company yung tinatanong, what is our expected salary? So you need to say it, no? Huwag tayong mahihiya na bigyan ng price, no? Or ng amount. Or probably, no, siguro we need to be very smart on answering that question para makuha natin ang pinaka-ceiling, no, ng amount na iyon. When it comes to romance, sa mga mag-asawa, I feel like medyo, yun nga sinasabi mo dito, nawawalan ng time, energy, effort. But I am settling for what is less to me, hoping that things will change. And I feel like with you searching for your heart, no, parang sinasabi mo dito, ano ba ang emotion nitong taong tong sa akin? And then siguro nakalimot for some reason, ay, meron pala akong asawa. All of a sudden, because Knight of Swords is a quick, the fastest energy, no? With the Ace of Pentacles, fastest energy for them to offer you something, no? So kung magjowa ito, parang feeling mo, siguro, itong person natin is may pinagkakaabalahang ibang tao. I am seeing wala naman, no, na threat dito sa relationship. But for some reason, I feel like this is more of complacency. Siguro din napagod. And I feel like, you know, your person needs to recharge. And eto na nga, bigla siyang mag-o-offer. No, na, uy, nakalimutan ko, kailangan ko palang i-offer to and we need to put this connection into another level of commitment. No? Kung single naman, so nawawala na ba tayo ng pag-asa? Baka mamaya may kumatok na sa pinto natin, pwede ka bang ligawan? No? Or pwede ba ako manligaw sa iyo or crush kita? Merong mag-offer na ganyan. I feel like the universe is telling you to take advantage of the offer. Kasi not just because na para magkaroon lang ng jowa, no? But I feel like this is a loving relationship that somehow you manifested, no? This might also be an unrequited love na parang, ay, hindi naman natin, parang hindi ito yung standards ng itsura. Pero the way this person's going to treat us is nandoon, no? Kung third party situation, I feel like you're very stressed right now because you have been promised of, you know, hiwalayan or giving this time to you, or iiwanan. Yeah, with the Five of Pentacles, this is leaving someone from the cold, or probably this is what you are thinking na baka someday, no, bigla akong iwan sa ere. But I feel like parang hinahanap mo dito yung totoong commitment. and it will be offered. So I think that this is more of overthinking when it comes to the third party situation. No? So gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo bago tayo tingnan pa ang ibang cards sa kabilang channel po, which is Babaylan TV. Doon po tayo nagla-live. So kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugan ng yes or no, nasagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website, no? Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information. So, all you just need to do is, once you click the website, nandun na kayo, nandun po yung information like name, number, QR code, amount per question for your reference. And take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun na rin po siya. Speaking of private reading, kung hindi nyo po ma-afford, sumali na po kayo dun sa ating raffle, no? All you just need to do is to follow me sa Facebook. Nandun po yung pinned video. Sa video na yon, all you just need to do is to follow me, react sa video, share, and then comment, no? Why you deserve to be a winner for the personal reading, no? Ayan. So, bumalik na tayo dito sa inyong reading. I wish we could be together, but it's complicated. So, it kind of make me feel na siguro pinupull natin itong energy to for it to happen, no? To the time frame na gusto natin. Ang sinabi lang dito is more of mangyayari itong bagay na ito, pero siguro hindi ito sa time frame na inaasahan natin. There will be some delays, but it doesn't mean na hindi mo ito ma-achieve, no? Let's get some message from the universe. Don't place limits upon yourself. You are an infinite being with unlimited potential. You can have and be anything that you want. So, hindi porket hindi natin nakukuha ang mga bagay-bagay sa time frame, it doesn't mean na hindi nga natin ma-achieve. Huwag mong ilimitahan ang iyong sarili just because of, a certain situation that happened, no? Don't hold yourself back or allow anyone else to. If there's a person who probably placing you into some stagnation, I feel like this is the time for you na parang ito nga sasabihin mo, since hindi mo sa akin ibinibigay ito, I would rather, turn my back in this connection and probably look for something else, and ito na, tsaka nga siya ibibigay, no? So, this is your life. Live your truths and remain heart-centered at all times. Siguro, ang sinasabi dito is more of, don't place yourself into something that, parang settling for less. You should have the best because that is your life, no? And that will be your decision for you to achieve this. And I feel like ito na nga yung mangyayaring yon na hindi man ito yung panahon pero ibibigay sa atin, no? Antay-antay lang, and I feel like kailangan na natin mag-take ng action para at least ma-turn natin, no, ang direction sa path, no, or sa direction na gusto natin. For romantic reading, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Pisces, Sagittarius, Virgo, Leo, Capricorn. Yan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.